So this is a beautiful living space. So this is a kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform. So this is our master bedroom, where this is where you get your bed setups. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of the Winds, which is located near Siddhivinayak Vigar, Bhugaon, Pune, and is developed by Kolte Patil Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and on the left hand side of the sales office you get the land parcel of this project where the construction is still ongoing. And in front of the sales office you get an internal road that directly connects you to the Mulshi road from the right hand side. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 5.5 acre of land parcel having 7 towers, in which you will be getting basement plus 2 podium plus 21 floors having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located near Mulshi Road, सिद्धिविनायक विहार, भूगांव, पुणे. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है Zudio, which is 1.3 kilometers away, Chandni Chowk, which is 4.2 kilometers away, and Mumbai-Satara Highway, which is 4.4 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of project 3D model. This project has over 40 plus luxurious amenities such as rooftop garden, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, maze garden, wooden deck, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our 2 BHK sample flat, which has 818 square feet carpet area. So, just at the entrance, you get a door well and a door lock to your door for security purposes, and then as soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby behind your door where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is a beautiful living space where this is where you get your couch setup space, and in front of your couch setup space you get your TV unit setup space, and you also get an attached balcony to it which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing, and is 3-side cover. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is a kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform with a sink attached to it. You also get a dry balcony attached to your kitchen where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. And you also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out our first bedroom. So this is our first bedroom, but this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get a lot of walking space around here. You also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now, before we proceed to our second bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom. But before we check out our master bedroom, let me tell you that just in front of your master bedroom you get a common wash basin and a common washroom where you get anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our master bedroom. This is where you get your bed setup space and you get a lot of walking space around it. You also get a balcony attached to it. Which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. And you also get your wardrobe setup space right here with an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of The Winds, which is located near Siddhivinayak Vihar, Bhugaon, Pune and is developed by Kolte Patil Developers. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download your e-brochure and price sheet, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.